Vishali and you are watching Risharaj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue the math chapter of standard 10, that is Arithmetic Progression. Exercise 1.1 and 1.2 is already done. Exercise 1.3 is also started. Roman number 1 and 2 is done. Roman number 3 we have started. 5 sums are done. Next 5 sums we are going to solve in this video. These videos we are especially uploading for the students of standard 10, CBSE syllabus of standard 10. Arithmetic Progression chapter is going on. So now without wasting time, let's start with the next sum of this Roman number 3. Before I start solving the sums, I would like to request all my viewers that if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do press that subscribe button so that you will get the regular updates of whatever videos we upload on our YouTube channel, that is Risharaj Classes. And please do share these videos among the students of standard 10th. So now let's start the 6th sum. 5 sums are done, so we will start 6th sum in this video. 6th sum. Now here they have given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, and we have to find N, and we have to find An. So here A, D, Sn is given. We have to find N and An. Let's start with our formula of Sn. Sn is n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Whatever values we know, we will substitute in this formula. Sn, yes, it's given. It's 90, and we don't know. We have to find, okay, n upon 2 into the bracket 2 into a is 2, fine, and n. Again, n we don't know. So, n minus 1 we will keep as it is into 8. Okay. Now, here I will take 2 as a common factor out. N upon 2 into 2. So, here the terms remaining are 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So, 2 common factor I have taken out. Why? So that we can cancel it here. Now, let us see what is there in this bracket. 4 into n is 4n, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So, 90 is equal to n into 4n. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Let's multiply this. 4n square minus 2n. Okay. So, what we have here? 90 is equal to 4n square minus 2n. We will convert this to one quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation. 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. Now here whenever we arrange the terms, okay, whenever we arrange the terms, in such case, check that our square term is always positive. If we take this 4n square on LHS, it will become minus 4n square, and we don't want that. So check that n square is always a positive term. Not only n square, whenever we solve the quadratic equation, the square term, please check that it is always a positive term. So now here 4n square minus 2n minus 90 is equal to 0. Here we can divide this throughout by 2. Divide by 2. Now why to do such things? To make our further calculations little bit easier. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle term. How? 2 into minus 45. 2 into minus 45 is minus 90. Our product is minus 90 and difference is 1. Product is minus 90 and difference is 1. How to split the middle term? Even in 10th standard, students face problem here. So I will share one link of how to solve the equations. I will share one link. So in that you will understand how to split this middle term. You can check the link in the description box later. So now let's solve this. Here 2 into minus 45 is minus 90 and difference is 1. 90 and difference is 1. Numbers are 10 and 9. 10 into 9, product is 90. And difference of 10 and 9, it's 1. It is minus n, so greater number will have minus sign. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, from here 2n is the common factor, n minus 5, here plus 9 is out, again n minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is 0. So either our n minus 5 is 0 or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. If n minus 5 is 0, n is equal to 5. Or if 2n plus 9, if it is 0, here our n is minus 9 upon 2. But what is n? N is a natural number. Why? Because it is a number of terms. And number of terms can never be negative or any fraction term. N is number of terms, so it is always a natural number. So the possible value of n is 5 and not minus 9 upon 2. N is always a natural number and therefore n is equal to 5. Now first thing is done, n is equal to 5. Now let's find an by using our simple an formula. Now we know a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, n is equal to 5. Now let's find what is an. Our formula an is a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 8, 32. 2 plus 32, 34. So here n is equal to 5 and an is equal to 34. So here we complete our 6th sum. Now let's move to our 7th sum. Let's see what are the given terms in this 7th sum. Here a is equal to 8. Then next thing given is an is equal to 62. Sn is equal to 210. And from this we have to find what is n and d. Okay, we will find. Now this is little bit easier sum compared to our previous sum. Here we know first term, last term we know n. So easily we can find number of terms here. Let us use our simple formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket a plus n. Sn is 210. N we have to find out into 2 into the bracket 8 plus 62. Okay. N upon 2. 8 plus 62 is 70. So this n is equal to 2. We will shift here and this 70 will come down. This is going to be our n. Let us simplify this. 0, 0 cancel. 7 1s are, 7 3s are, 3 2s are 6. So n is equal to 6. Now n is equal to 6. Let's use our an formula and find what is d. See, a is equal to 8. An is equal to 62. Now n also we know that it is equal to 6. Let's find what is d. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. An, it's 62. A is 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d. Let us shift this 8 on LHS. It becomes minus 8 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into d. 62 minus 8, it's 54. So 54 is equal to 5d. So what is our d? It's nothing but 54 upon 5. So what is asked here? N is equal to 6 and D is equal to 54 upon 5. Sum is done. It was quite simple sum. Okay. Now let's move to our 8th sum. Here AN is equal to 4. D is equal to 2. SN is equal to minus 14. And here we have to find what is N and A. Now here in this 8th sum, we will have to go by a little bit other way. Okay. Because if we use our Sn formula, Sn is n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know A. We don't even know what is N. So first we will use this An. Let's see what we get here. We know that An is A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. An is 4 is equal to A plus n we don't know n minus 1 into 2. Let us solve this. 4 is equal to A plus 2n minus 2. Now I will take these two terms on this side. 4 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to A. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 2n is equal to 8. Okay. Means A is equal to 6 minus 2n. This we are going to use in our further solving. How? Let's see. Let us write the formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is little bit lengthy sum. Okay. Sn is minus 14. N we don't know. N upon 2 into the bracket 2 into. Now what is our A here? 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into d is 2. Even here I will do one thing. I will take this 2 out common so that we can cancel it with this 2. 2 into the bracket 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1. This is what is remaining in this bracket. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. N into the bracket. Now here 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5 minus 2n plus n is minus n. So what we have here? Minus 14 is equal to 5n minus n square. Now again we get one quadratic equation, and what we have to do? Check that our square term is always a positive term. So we will shift these two terms on LHS. So now our equation becomes n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now here our product is 14, minus 14. Product is minus 14 and difference of the numbers is 5. So we have to look out for the two numbers whose product is minus 14 and their difference is 5. Numbers are 7 and 2. So here n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. N common, n minus 7. Here 2 common. Again n minus 7. This common factor we are taking it out of this bracket. N minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So either n minus 7 is 0 or n plus 2 is 0. So possibilities are n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. But we know that n is a natural number. So the value of n is plus 7 and not minus 2 here. Let us write n is always a natural number and therefore n is equal to 7. Now we got value of n. Now what we have to find? A. What is our A? 6 minus 2n. Let's use this. Instead of using that again lengthy formula of an, we have here no, A is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14 minus 8. Finished. N is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 8. Sum is done. So 8 sum is also done here. Now let's move to our ninth sum. Ninth sum. Here A is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. Sn is equal to 192. S is given here, means Sn. And what we have to find is D. It's very easy, sir. Here, let's start with our Sn formula. Sn is n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, it's 192. N, it's 8 upon 2 into the bracket 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. Fine. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Now this 4 we will take below this 192 upon 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. 8 minus 1 is 7. 2 3s are 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into d is 7d. Let's cancel this. 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. 3 comes here 32. 4 8s are 32. So we have 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Let's shift this 6 on LHS. 48 minus 6 is equal to 70. 48 minus 6 is 42 is equal to 7d. So d is equal to 42 upon 7. 7 ones are, 7 6s are. Sum is done. D is equal to 6. Ninth sum was quite easy. Very simple it was. Now let's see how is our 10th sum. 10th sum, last sum of this Roman number 3, L. L is 28, S is 144 and there are total 9 terms. Means N is equal to 9 and what we have to find is E. It's very easy sum. Last term means AN and we have a simple formula of Sn. That is n upon 2 into the bracket a plus n. What is our Sn? It's 144. What is n? It's 9 upon 2. A we don't know, we have to find, plus 28. Fine. Now we cannot cancel this. Let's shift here. 144 into 2 upon 9 is equal to a plus 28. 9 ones are here. 9 ones are 9. 5 remains, it comes here. 9 6 are 54. 16 into 2. 32 is a plus 28. So a is 32 minus 28 and that is nothing but 4. A is equal to 4. Quite simple sum. This 10 sums, okay, especially these 10 sums of exercise 1.3. Okay, Roman number 3, 10 sums of exercise 1.3, no, it gives you the complete practice of this chapter AP. Whatever formulas are there, whatever those 3 formulas we use, all the formulas are used in one or the other way in this exercise 1.3, Roman number 3. So, I always tell my students that solve this Roman number 3 2-3 times so that you will get the complete revision of this chapter AP. So Roman number 3 is done. From sum number 4 we will continue in our next video. So what you have to do to get the updates of such videos, you have to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share these videos among the students of standard 10. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.